Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of IPTV services. Are they illegal? We'll look into the best provider, 2TV.store. Don't forget to contact Nancy. Let's explore IPTV. Imagine accessing hundreds of channels legally, or is it not? We'll explain how these intriguing services work. Stay tuned to understand the deeper details. Firstly, what's IPTV? It stands for Internet Protocol Television, delivering televised content through the Internet. It's efficient and trending globally, but what's the catch? We'll cover more shortly. Are there risks? Yes, some IPTV services might infringe copyright laws. It's essential to know the legality in your region and choose legitimate providers like 2TV.store. In most cases, unlicensed IPTV services violate intellectual property rights, posing legal and financial risks. Users need to weigh the risks and protect their interests wisely. To conclude, IPTV services offer incredible convenience, but users must stay informed and cautious. Opt for legitimate options like 2TV.store. Contact Nancy for assistance. Stay savvy, stay protected.